Prove your creditworthiness by availing standby letter of credit. Are you planning to purchase goods from your local vendor or overseas supplier on a credit basis? Now you can give the guarantee of payment to your trade partner by providing a standby letter of credit on behalf of your company and in favor of the supplier. The issued SBLC acts as a written undertaking to assure that the buyer will make the payment on time before the credit period. In case of any default in making the payment, the bank will be liable to fulfill the payment terms as long as the seller complies with the terms stated in the issued SBLC. Advantages of using standby letter of credit: enhance your own creditworthiness and trading status in the global trade market. You will get a chance to negotiate the better terms and conditions in your trade agreement. Give assurance to your supplier that you will make the payment even in case of any default. How you will get a standby letter of credit. If you are looking to use standby LC as your payment term for your next trade transaction, then you can contact Bronzewing Trading LLC, the SBLC providers in Dubai. To know more about our SBLC issuance process, contact us today. Email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 971455196999. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.